How to add a shipping address on the Shein app. What is up everybody? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you guys through a step-by-step method on how to easily add a shipping address on Shein app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. The very first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and simply open up your Shein app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you can find different tabs at the bottom of your screen like categories, trends, your shopping cart, and then me section. Just tap on this me section, and on the top right you'll find the gear icon. Just tap on it to open up your settings. And once you land on your settings page, you're going to have to tap on your address book. So just tap on this drop down and it will take you to another page. If you already have a shipping address added to your account, it will be visible here. Or if you have multiple addresses, you will find it here as well. Now, if you don't want to delete your previous one and just add a new shipping address, you can do that by tapping on this add button. But if you want to delete your shipping address, then you could just go ahead and delete it from here. And if you want to set this one as your default address, you could do that. Tap on the add shipping address option to add a new address. And here you'll have to choose your location, like your country first. Then provide your first and last name. And then there are a few other details like phone number and to find your address. Or if you want, you could just enter your address manually. For example, let me just enter my name here. And then from here, you could just tap on the number section and add your number. So let me just add this one for now. Once you've done that, here on the address finder, you could just add a postcode or a zip code, or you could just manually enter your address. And after doing all of that, you could just tap on save and you'll be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.